And now we're ready to put our developer in. We've used a thermometer and we know that it's 68 degrees, so we have it at the proper temperature. We have a chart right here that tells us for our film, for this developer at 68 degrees, it's 6.5 minute developing time. So I'm going to set the timer now for 6.5 minutes and pour the developer in. Okay, I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to agitate it for the first minute of my developing time. And you notice I'm not shaking it really, really fast. It's not like I'm making a cocktail. And I don't shake it really, really, really slow. Basically, it's going to be about a 1 second intervals. So 1001, 1002, 1003, like that. And your agitation makes a really big difference with the way your film comes out. If you do over-agitation, your film gets very grainy. You see lots of little speckles in it. If you do under-agitation, sometimes it's not developed very well and you won't have enough density on your film to get a good print. So paying attention to each one of these steps in the film developing process is very important. Okay, there's the first minute. Give it a tap on the bottom. So let me also explain to you that developing is the most important step here as far as getting your film to look good. You've already exposed it. Hopefully you've exposed it well, meaning you've had plenty of light on it. If you don't have enough light on the film, it's going to be too thin to make a good print. If you have too much light, it'll be too dense to get a good print. So after you do the shooting part of it with your camera, then you need to develop it well. So it's really important that you mix your developer correctly. In this case, we're mixing it 1 part developer to 9 parts water. That you get the water at the correct temperature, 68 degrees, and that then you find out how much time to develop your film for, in this case 6.25 minutes, and that you agitate it. Now we agitate it for the first minute of the developing time and the last 15 seconds of each minute that follows.